So there, welcome back to another very short video on BB. So this time we're going to be looking at how BB's price has been moving in the past day or so, because we're actually seeing a pretty decent day for the price of BB. We can see that obviously today it has been in the green. It's following a somewhat similar pattern to some of the other stocks which we've looked at tonight. We've seen a bit of a sell-off for the majority of the day, coming to about 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. We are seeing some green, which is good, and again, that day actually continue for the rest of the day. So BB, for me at least, I thought it was going to be a red day today because it was looking to be the case until about 11:30 into 12 o'clock, and actually it wasn't the case. We actually came back strong from there. We hit highs up here of the day which were at 14.25, so not too bad at all. Again, we have fallen a little bit from there. We hit lows down here from there which were at 13.92, but from there we have closed up strong at the $14.18 range. So far this does give us a gain of the day of about 2.09%, so not too bad at all. We've gained only about 29 cents, but that is okay, at least we are in the green. We're seeing after hours gains so far of only 1 cent, so not too much, not too many shares being traded after hours from what I can tell, or at least not too much price action movement after hours, so clearly not too big of a deal. And by the way guys, if you do enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like on it and subscribe. Do bear in mind this is only a very quick video, but we have done some more in-depth ones in the past, and going forwards we will do some more in-depth ones. This one's just a quick wrap up of what we have seen in the past week. So yeah, we're going to jump in now. Obviously do remember as well, it's not financial advice. Most of you will know this by now, but I am just going to say it once more for my safety and yours. And whilst you're here, I might as well just show you the other social medias that we do have. We have a Twitter now, go follow it at N2S Finance. We obviously do have that Discord as well, linked down below. And if you enjoy the channel, you can press the join button, which is next to the subscribe button, which you should have already pressed. But yeah, now let's have a look at what we have seen. So again, good fight today that we are seeing back in the green, which is fantastic. Past week is now looking not too bad at all actually. So basically if we started off on Monday 7th of June, we'd have bought at a price of about 14.31, so not too bad at all really. And again coming towards the end of the week, we are on about 14.18. So again, this is not too big of a drop that we are seeing. You know, if you'd have bought on the Monday, you wouldn't have lost barely anything throughout the week, which is good. And again, a lot of people will have sold, I do believe, for those profits, but I think a lot more people are still holding this stock. Now, does this have the potential to be the next short squeeze? We've covered this before. I don't think it's impossible, but I think if this is going to be a short squeeze, I think if it is going to happen, I do not believe it is going to be as high as GME or AMC. I personally do not believe this is going to hit into the hundreds of dollars. I think it could hit 25, 30, 40, but I don't think, you know, 150 plus dollars is what I am expecting for this stock. And again, either way, it is hard to say with this one. I think it does have some of the right factors, but it's just hard to say if this one is going to catch on to be the next short squeeze or not. Again, we do have quite a high social media interest on this one, which is good potentially for a short squeeze if we do want that to happen, but who knows where we are going to go with this stock. But we are seeing good action throughout the week now. It has been quite flat, so we are seeing a lot of volatility, but clearly for today, and actually over the whole week, we could draw a line through this one, and it would be quite flat, which is good. So a bit of growth into Friday, which is fantastic. I do think that now we are coming to a potential, you know, interesting point for BlackBerry. So it's obviously going to be hard to say where this one is going into next week, but the fact that we finished up green is good. It gives some people time to think about the weekend and what they want to do on Monday. Again, it could get some FOMO jumping into this one, but we haven't seen gains big enough, I do believe, to see a lot of that. So I just think it's going to be a really interesting one to see where this one is going to move. So we've had some decent consolidation upwards today. Let's hope that we can continue to grow into next week, but who knows at the current rate. Tell me your thoughts down below. I just thought we'd have a look at where this one has been moving. Let's hope it can continue to move upwards next week. I think if I was looking to buy this one, I would wait until about lunchtime on Monday and perhaps not go in straight away at market open, and that is just my personal thoughts. Again, not financial advice. Do whatever you like, guys. That is just some of my personal thoughts. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon, guys. Goodbye.